The exhibition Biomorphe features the work of 7 international artists who engage with the concept of biomorphism, thinking about shapes and forms that you can find in nature, but then exploring them from a very contemporary point of view, and notably employing contemporary tools and materials.
My work in the Central Gallery is microcosm. I want to visualize the small living things that we mostly missed or forgot in our modern natures. Pieces are made out of cable ties. They are all hand-dyed. I want to give them a long life in artistic ways, and how man-made materials can visualize our modern natures in different ways.
The overall thing I'm interested in my work is the way that painting addresses how we see. I think of it as an object made by someone who's thinking about how things are seen. The melanin prints are screen-printed bacteria. It's evolving, dying, living on the paper for 3 days. So that's where you see the interesting effects. It's bleeding or dripping or growing in a weird way or disappearing in parts. It's because of the evolutionary process.
I bring 3 sculptures. They are called exudates, and they are sculptures that are kind of oozing or secreting or growing from the insides of the architecture. Human, no, we sip these fluids when we have an injury or an inflammation, but also nature, like for example trees, they bleed these kind of viscose substances, one of them being latex. Latex is an exudation of a rubber tree, so it's a natural resin that comes from a tree when it has a wound, and that's the fluid that the tree generates.
From sculptures that look like creatures crawling up the columns, to latex sculptures that take over the architecture inside the Moody, to bacteria on the wall in form of a printed image, to works that really look like human bodies are coming out of a screen. And then of course the iconic sculpture by Louise Bourgeois that sort of is the anchor of all of the work. It's a really new and fresh perspective on a historic concept that has been around for a long time.